This Olympic ceremony didn't go down well. The act featured 18 performers posing behind a long table reminiscent of Leonardo da Vinci's painting of the Last Supper depicting Jesus and his 12 apostles. Many saw it as an insult to Catholics. The performance included drag queens, a headless Marie Antoinette, and the fourth horseman of the apocalypse. But let's go back in time because this isn't the only ceremony to come under fire. In what was dubbed a creepy opening ceremony, the 2012 London Olympics featured a duel between Lord Voldemort and Mary Poppins. Approximately 30 Mary Poppins descended into the stadium on their umbrellas to defeat a 100-foot inflatable Lord Voldemort. Until 1988, doves were released at the opening ceremony of the Olympics. For the 1988 Olympics, birds were trained for a year in preparation for the event. The birds were supposed to fly around the stadium in circles until they reached the rim of the stadium and flew off in 5 directions. However, the birds flew erratically and landed all over the stadium, including on the cauldron where the Olympic flame was to be lit, resulting in some of them being burnt alive. The 1936 Olympics were held in Germany under Hitler's regime. For him, the Games were a pageant for Nazi propaganda filled with salutes of Sieg Heil. It was Germany's attempt at masking the anti-Jewish propaganda. Jewish athletes were expelled from all organized athletics. At the opening, as the athletes made their traditional alphabetical march into the stadium, some countries, including Austria and France, gave the Nazi salute as they passed by Hitler. Notably, the Indian squad led by Dhyan Chand refused to salute Hitler. Record-breaking American sprinter and long jumper Jesse Owens, an African-American, won 4 gold medals. However, Hitler reportedly only shook hands with German and the Finnish medal winners. Many have compared this year's opening to Beijing's Olympics, where 2008 people drummed in unison, or the 1992 Barcelona opening, where the Olympic cauldron was lit with a burning arrow. What's your view on the opening ceremony in Paris? Was it a hit or a miss?
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.